Hello, students. This is the first chapter of your civics textbook of social science, that is, Social and Political Life, Part 2. The name of the chapter is On Equality. What is this chapter all about, and what are we going to study in this chapter? We are going to understand the importance of the idea of equality and dignity in democracy. You have learnt and read about equality in class 6. You will also get to know in this chapter democracy as a representative form of government. And in this chapter, you will also get to know about the vision and the values of the Indian Constitution. See, students, every modern country must provide equal rights and opportunities to all its citizens, whatever their age, religion, caste, gender, or skills and abilities. In the same manner, there is a term universal adult franchise. It means that all the people who are 18 or above 18 years of age have the right to vote. You have also read about discrimination in class 6. This chapter also deals with it as saying that discrimination is a crime, and the Indian Constitution makes it clear that no one can be discriminated against on unfair grounds. Even still, inequality exists in many parts of the world. Like, for example, in your textbook, it's given the example of USA, where an African American civil rights movement was taken place in the 1960s, which led to a making of Civil Rights Act. So in this chapter, you'll get to know that although democracy is the most common and popular type of government in the modern world, no country is 100% democratic, and we all must work together to make democracy a reality. So you will in this chapter get to know about what is having equal right to vote, what is the presence of equality in India, especially in context to Indian democracy, and why don't usually people accept the laws of equality. Are there any other issues also in other democracies rather than India? These are some of the subtopics that you will get to know in this chapter in further details.